So there we go. Let's see here. Arrow, I need you to be here. You do that. You know, what do you mean you're not coming, Arrow? What do you mean? Arrow, what do you mean you're sending somebody else? What are you talking?
Arrow?
What?
This isn't working for me. What? Who? What? You can't just send somebody else.
It's his tag team work.
Michael, don't you even dare tell me you...
Who is entering the ring right now? It's...
Who the hell are you?
I was sent who was singing?
It's a DoorDash guy.
It's like a DoorDash guy myself to the middle. Yeah. Sorry, I need to bring my glasses.
Oh my God. Arrow, did you really set me up with this Dash guy? Let me look at your order. And you... Did you really say that he has to wrestle for his tip? Okay, you know what? I'm calling you later, Michael. We're gonna talk. You know what? Number one Dasher? No, you know what? You're wrestling tonight. Okay? You are here. And you're not getting tipped until you wrestle with me. I don't want to hear it. Okay? You're not leaving until you wrestle for that tip. If you want that tip, you're wrestling.
Wait.
Okay? It's a good percentage.
Isn't this the lowest rated DoorDash driver on all of the DoorDash apps? Isn't he the guy with 1 star?
Oh yeah, he eats half of every order.
He eats half of every order. This guy's a legend.
Have you seen gas prices?
I love it. Keep hiring him.
Straighten up.
Isn't he the guy that moons your camera when he gets to your door?
So I actually own one of these. Oh.
Revealing a new shave pattern. Really interesting.
Yo! Molly! That's the DoorDash douche that ate our cheeseburgers!
Oh, he does eat half of every order.
Let's go!
I would do the same. As somebody who ate my cheeseburgers.
I'd eat the cheeseburgers.
I know you would, Richard.
Look, tip DoorDash delivery drivers. Don't tip this guy. Don't hire this guy.
Don't hire
Look,
This guy's bad.
I own a delivery service. I make sure the worst drivers do the most jobs. Just because it's funny.
It's a match.
Alright, 2 normal guys.
The much more normal looking dad bod.
No. Chunk steak is anything but normal.
1, 2.
He is a pit boss par excellence.
Oh.
He cooked the Austin albino squirrel. It was good, but it was bad.
Chuck
It was wrong.
Steak showing off the flanks that he's acquired.
He's cooked 6 different Beatos.
He also cooked 2 runaways.
Chuck Steak famously never able to find a delivery driver gross enough to work with him. Looks like he's finally found one.
It's okay, look. He's gonna tag you eventually, and you go in there and fight.
Wait for him to touch your hand.
You don't have to take a picture of any of this.
Oh my God. The beef of Chuck Steak, unable to be tenderized.
Or it's already too tenderized. We're not sure which one.
The mass of a dad versus the mass of a God. Maybe he's a dad. I don't know.
He could be a dad. He's not sure either.
These are some big boys.
They're posturing.
Not all who grill are dads. And not all who are dads are grilled. But Chuck Steak is grilling Dad Bod.
Chuck Steak is a job creator. Dad Bod is a job loser. I cannot see him winning this.
Is there redemption for Dad Bod?
The crowd demanding something we can't do in the ring. I'm sorry.
Oh, he's tenderizing it.
Two big nasty boots to a big nasty chest.
This isn't a place to display vulgarity. Only violence.
Rally Table's been tagged in.
Whoa!
They've already got coordinated moves.
What happens to a lawnmower? Deferred.
Powerful leather boot to the boot chest. The DoorDash driver is just lost. He's not sure.
Chuck
But he's
Steak.
getting tagged in.
Oh, it's not a heart attack. Oh, he's fine. It's not a heart attack. He's just tagging in his tag team
The
partner.
longest reigning DoorDash driver has been tagged in and he's ready to fight.
Just defend yourself. You just gotta fight. No, the location is behind you, actually.
It's in the contract.
If
Oh, 1 star.
he could have less than 1 star, he would.
Oh,
Wow.
even he's amazed.
You dodge that, just like you dodge just seeing the address of your house.
Hey, he's really taken to this.
He's fueled by half of all of our burgers.
Well, the thing about DoorDash workers is that they would kill you if they could.
Yes, they would.
What we have here is 2 Austin Circle workers.
Uh-oh. Dad Bod saying, here's a tip. You've heard of cash back.
Oh
Oh, no.
Hey,
Oh, it's a workbench theme.
oh, that's right. They
It's the
were.
workbench.
They're
But I
workbench.
mean, Hannah's hurt.
Hey, hold on.
Oh, yeah!
The ref has said absolutely no weapons in the ring. DoorDash
I don't
driver,
really know, honestly.
still drunk from last night. Really not sure what's going on.
Look,
Oh, no!
DoorDash guy, just imagine that he's a food delivery. Crush him.
DoorDash guy making Dad Bod get Chuck Steak a ring.
You're doing good, you're doing good.
Chuck Steak. The DoorDasher tagging in Chuck Steak.
Now you can rest look at your phone. There you go.
And Chuck Steak says, let's see what happens to Dad's meat when I take care of it.
DoorDash driver seems to actually care about his orders.
Oh, he's grabbing orders he's not ready for yet.
They say that
Classic 1-star move.
the meat of a father is hard on the outside, but it's tender on the inside.
It's true.
Chuck Steak trying to work his way down.
That's disgusting.
It's biology.
It's a metaphor.
I don't want to imagine my father's meat.
When your father's made of meat, you better get used to it.
Ah!
Chuck Steak, not made of meat, he's made of hatred, inciting the DoorDash driver to kick the chest of Dad Bod.
Dad Bod, with a lack of hair to stop the sweat from entering his eyes, has gone blind.
He's terrible at delivery, but he's kind of good at fighting.
He's delivered pain to Dad Bod's
He's
posterior.
gonna beat the shit out of Dad Bod, and then he's gonna take a really weird picture of it and send it to you.
He's going to get a taste for beating up customers. I'm here for it.
Check him out.
Yeah.
The DoorDash driver doing a favor chance for this delinquent dad.
Makes you wonder, is it a gated colony or is it a rabbit colony?
I don't think he's actually into his dad.
He's everybody's dad.
Oh, brutal strikes to the skins of the father.
It's like a night of marination. So sweet and tender. We got somebody in the audience.
They like Chuck.
Trump steak only cooks the finest cuts of meat, which Dad Bod has 0.
Oh! And the physics finally makes sense as Chuck Steak easily takes over Dad Bod. The mass of this man, incredible.
Trump steak's lifetime earnings have to be a literal infinity times more than Dad Bod. Because Dad Bod has never earned anything.
He earned a spot next to Molly Table on the workbench. That team.
Wrong corner.
Sometimes, if you've been a bad person your whole life and then you do one good thing, you're a good person.
That's true. I've heard that from the Bible.
Yeah, but I think the thing you think is good is bad.
That's true. It's subjective. Sorry, Richard.
Chuck Steak embracing Dad Bod, lifting the foot, and bringing him back down to the earth.
DoorDash guy is learning so much right now, and what I really love about him is he's gonna freaking off of it right away. That's that one star performance I love.
The DoorDash driver trying to get over the ketamine. Oh! Headbutt from Chuck Steak.
Huh? Do I get insurance?
I don't know if you're working. You gotta prove
You
it.
don't get insurance.
It's gated colony.
It's kill or be killed.
We're all gonna be contractors in like 5 years. Ah!
The workers' comp at DoorDash is you pay them if you get hurt.
I won't be a contractor. I'll be hiring contractors.
Headbutt, evading the Chuck Steak. Chuck Steak on the floor. On the clothesline.
That's a lot of beef in the middle of that ring.
You ever seen beef on a clothesline? You have.
Yes.
Watching these two hunks of meat riding around
I love a writhing hump.
with a song trail behind them. Just
They're so wet.
grasping at the straws that they ordered.
They're so moist.
This is a classic wet beef match.
Holy table in the ring. DoorDash driver. Immediately put to the ground. Chuck Steak put to the ground.
I love when service employees are made to fight each other.
Powering this woman up to
She's so powerful. Her arms are very
Let's go,
the
boys!
flaming locks of her hair, like Mesmer.
Molly requesting to Dad Bod to go bowling. He's putting on a glove. A fingerless glove.
A workman's
A glove
glove.
with no fingers.
What is
Oh my God! Strike!
It's so lowbrow.
this?
It's so working class.
1, 2.
They require that you
Table, unable to finish. Molly Table to her feet.
She's
Chuck
bringing
Steak.
up the gingham every time.
However,
I see what red is becoming.
Get the table.
Yes, obviously.
Yeah.
Right here. Come on, man.
and where once table touched cloth, now table lies on the concrete. Chuck Steak, tenderizing the back. Dad Bod,
Have you ever seen a table on the ground?
nothing is bigger than the back of a father.
60. Do it. 60. Let's go.
There we go. He's negotiating for a bigger tip.
He really wants that tip. He
The
really
door!
needs
The DoorDash driver is grabbing a door!
That's in his name.
It's a five-panel Holland room closed! On the floor! Oh my God!
You don't even give me a back face?
No, I'm fine. I do it. It's okay. Hey, help me get him up here.
The DoorDash driver is door limping and door arguing with Chuck Steak.
Try negotiation.
This door easily cost $117.
Yeah, but I got the lock, but no! The broken service worker back of his DoorDash driver. Oh, and he's not on Cobra, I'll tell you that much.
What? Oh, fuck you!
There's no holding more about the stolen core, ladies and gentlemen. That really hurt the sweat from that grab on.
And that core was expensive. Solid core is a lot more expensive.
I think it's interlaced with tungsten steel ribbing.
Oh my god. That was an exterior door, folks.
Why did they spend so much money on that great door?
Oh my god.
That was an airlock door.
I think we're about to work in a
This
plan.
shit is